Gotta catch the plane at 7:30. Why haven't you come to say goodbye? Time is running out and I'm still waiting. I'm so lost without you, I could die. Yesterday you said you loved me, everything seems to be fine. Today you're not here, I'm so lonely. Is the waiting that's driving me out of my mind? Don't know how I sing in that big city. How can I perform if you're not there? This will be the worst of all my journeys. The image of your face will follow me everywhere. I need your tender kisses, the feel of your hands, your caress. The perfume has me burning, my heart's yearning to touch you. I need you so much. If you're not here by my side, can't hold back the tears I try to hide. Don't think I can take it, I know I won't make it without you. If you